Imagine holding a simple, worn, slightly dirty coin in your hand, something you might normally toss aside without a second thought. But what if that very coin, yes, that old 1970D Washington quarter, could be worth not just a few dollars, not even a few hundred, but thousands, tens of thousands, or in rare, almost unbelievable cases, even life-changing money? What if I told you that collectors and treasure hunters across the world are desperately searching through pocket change, old jars, and forgotten collections hoping to find this exact coin? Stay with me, because by the end of this, you might look at every quarter in your possession very differently, and you might just discover a hidden fortune sitting right under your nose. The 1970D Washington quarter might seem ordinary at first glance. Minted in Denver, marked with a small D on the reverse, this coin was part of a massive production run. Millions upon millions were struck, and most of them are still only worth their face value today. But here's where things get exciting. Not all 1970D quarters are the same. In fact, a tiny fraction of these coins hold secrets, hidden flaws, rare compositions, and mysterious minting anomalies that can turn a common coin into an extraordinary collectible worth serious money. To understand why this coin can be so valuable, we need to go back in time. The Washington quarter design itself dates back to 1932, created to honor George Washington's 200th birthday. By 1970, the United States Mint had already transitioned away from silver coins for regular circulation. Since 1965, quarters were supposed to be made of a copper-nickel clad composition instead of silver. So, logically, a 1970D quarter should never contain silver. But here's where the story takes a fascinating turn. Some 1970D quarters were accidentally struck on leftover silver planchets from earlier years, specifically from Canadian coinage or earlier US issues. This wasn't supposed to happen. It wasn't planned. It was a mistake, and in the world of coin collecting, mistakes can be incredibly valuable. These rare silver-era 1970D quarters are among the most sought-after varieties, and when discovered, they can fetch thousands of dollars at auction. Now imagine this. You find an old, dirty quarter in a drawer. It looks worn. Maybe it's been through years of use. But instead of ignoring it, you take a closer look, and suddenly you realize it's heavier than usual. The color looks slightly different. The edge doesn't show the typical copper stripe. That's when your heart starts racing, because you might be holding one of these rare silver-struck coins. And that's just the beginning. Another reason the 1970D quarter is so intriguing is because of its error varieties. Errors are what make collectors excited. They're unpredictable, rare, and often visually striking. Some of the most valuable 1970D quarters feature dramatic minting errors such as doubled dies, off-center strikes, clipped planchets, or even coins struck on the wrong metal entirely. A doubled die error occurs when the coin's design is accidentally impressed twice at slightly different angles, creating a noticeable doubling effect on the lettering or details. On a 1970D quarter, this might appear in the words Liberty or In God We Trust. To an untrained eye, it might look like a minor flaw, but to a collector, it's a sign of rarity, and rarity means value. Depending on the strength of the doubling and the condition of the coin, these can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Then there are off-center strikes, where the coin wasn't properly aligned during minting. Part of the design is missing, and the coin looks incomplete. While this might seem like damage, it's actually a highly collectible error. The more dramatic the off-center strike, while still showing the date, the more valuable the coin becomes. Some of these have sold for hundreds, even thousands, depending on their uniqueness. Clipped planchets are another fascinating error. This happens when the metal sheet used to create coins is improperly cut, leaving a curved or straight clip missing from the coin. These errors are instantly recognizable and highly collectible. A 1970D quarter with a clear clipped planchette can easily command a premium price. But perhaps the most mysterious and exciting aspect of the 1970D quarter lies in the possibility of transitional errors. Coins that were struck using the wrong materials during a period of change. As the mint transitioned away from silver, mistakes happened. And those mistakes slipped into circulation unnoticed. Today, they are incredibly rare, and incredibly valuable. Now let's talk about condition, because condition is everything in coin collecting. A 1970D quarter that's heavily worn and dirty might still hold value if it has a rare error or composition. But if you find one in near-perfect condition, with sharp details and minimal wear, its value can skyrocket. Coins are graded on a scale, and those in mint state condition, meaning they were never circulated, can be worth significantly more than their worn counterparts. But here's something many people don't realize: even a dirty coin can be valuable. In fact, cleaning a coin can actually reduce its value. That layer of dirt or toning might look unattractive, but it's part of the coin's history. Serious collectors prefer coins in their original state, even if they look less than perfect. So if you find a 1970D quarter that looks old and worn, don't rush to clean it. You might accidentally destroy its value. Let's move into the world of auctions, where these coins truly reveal their worth. Over the years, rare error quarters from this era have sold for impressive sums. While a standard 1970D quarter might only be worth 25 cents, rare varieties have been known to sell for hundreds, thousands, and in extreme cases, even more depending on the uniqueness and condition. A silver error or a dramatic minting mistake can push a coin's value into the high thousands. Collectors are willing to pay big money for coins that tell a story, coins that shouldn't exist but somehow do. And that's what makes the 1970D quarter so mysterious. It's not just about the coin itself, it's about the unknown. How many of these rare errors are still out there? How many are sitting unnoticed in coin jars, piggy banks, or old collections? How many people have unknowingly spent a coin worth thousands of dollars? That sense of mystery drives collectors. It creates excitement. It turns everyday people into treasure hunters. Because the truth is, you don't need to be a professional to find one of these coins. You just need curiosity, patience, and a willingness to look a little closer. So how do you identify a valuable 1970D quarter? Start with the basics. Look for the D mint mark on the reverse side of the coin, just below the eagle. Check the edge. Does it show a copper stripe, or is it solid silver in color? Weigh the coin if possible. Silver quarters weigh slightly more than clad ones. Examine the surface closely for doubling, unusual marks, or anything that looks out of place. Pay attention to the overall appearance. Does it look different from other quarters you've seen? And most importantly, trust your instincts. If something seems unusual about the coin, it's worth investigating further. You can compare it to known examples online or have it evaluated by a professional grading service. That small step could turn a simple coin into a major discovery. Think about this for a moment. What if the next time you receive change at a store, one of those quarters is a hidden gem? What if the dusty coin jar in your home contains a piece of history worth thousands of dollars? It sounds unbelievable, but it happens more often than you might think. The 1970D quarter is a perfect example of how something ordinary can become extraordinary. It's a reminder that value isn't always obvious, that sometimes the most valuable treasures are hiding in plain sight. And for those who take the time to look, to learn, and to explore, the rewards can be incredible. So before you dismiss that old, dirty coin as worthless, take a closer look. Because that little piece of metal might just be your ticket to an unexpected fortune, a story worth telling, and a discovery that changes everything.